Alright, so video 2. We've opened the morning here on the S&P mini futures. We trickled up all night. We moved up over the 1172 area overnight. We've extended our targets now. We're looking at 1200 area, just slightly over on the target at 1204. Now we've moved into the afternoon here for trading. Price up into the 1190s. We've moved up through the 1170s, 1180s. Now we're into the 90s. We got about 10 to 15 points left to go if we're going to completely fill our target. You can see that they're illustrated by the highest orange line. Those are our targets in there on our previous buys. Hoping that those will continue up and fill. Now, if you watched the previous video, we were in with about 1.5 contracts, so $750 to control. We're at 1190 right now, so right now we're up about $3,000, and we'd like to see if we can get up to the 1200 area. We'd like to close about 4,500 on this trade, depending on what we get. So we're gonna check back in a couple minutes, or I guess probably a couple hours now, going into the end of the day. We're hoping we just get a big buy move right into the end of the day. Expecting some resistance in the 1200 area. Basically, I think the 1200 area is where the resistance will come in. I think we're going to see a reversal from there yet, probably into the end of the week. If we do get that, watch out, we're going to be back trading into the 1150s zone or areas there. Price moving up 1196 now. Now if you look at this move, we've had just an incredibly strong buy up here over the last day coming into here. We've been in this trade for about 26 hours, 28 hours now. We're going into the close. Basically what we're going to do is we're going to move our stops up right away and lock in the profit, because we're getting close to that 1200 area and we don't want it to turn around and take us out. We've moved on the 1 hour chart. We're still looking at the 1 hour chart. We've moved up over the 200 moving average. We got the 50 starting to come in an upward angle. It just shows that this move has been pretty consistent for us here. We've pretty much haven't looked back since we did our entry. So we're going to move our stops up right away. We're going to put them up to about 1191. There we are. Now we just locked in at 1191. We just locked in 50 points of profit. Now the goal is still to close our target at 1204, which will actually give us 63 points of profit. If we can close that, great. If not, right now we've got the stop in really tight. Price moving into 98, 1198, and we're into the close now though, so could have a quick sharp move down with the closing volume coming in. We're going to move our stops up a little bit higher, take more profit. 1196 is our stop. That's 55 points and we're out. There it is. Good trade. That was $4,125 in about 30 hours. 20-to-1 reward to risk ratio, as well as 550% on our money in just over 1 day. Come out, see us, visit the website www.tradingonlinemadeeasy.com. Come out to our next training course and you could do it too.